Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I just want to say I appreciate you guys. Thanks for stopping by. First we're going to get started with the startup of the car. I'm sure you guys are well tired of that, but I'm sorry. I got some shorts on. Okay. Sounds pretty good with the top off. I didn't use a turn signal. Are you guys proud of me? Alright, so a lot of this video is going to be just about saying thanks. But okay, there's a few things I want to talk about in this video. First of all, it was exactly 6 years ago today. I thought it was on the 30th, but it was actually the 23rd. So this is coming at you live and in stereo. So this is Wednesday. I'm going over to a Bible study, and oh my goodness, Charlie. I'm not sure if there's a cop behind me or not, but I just want to say I appreciate all the support, guys. I'm at 100 subscribers, so that means a lot to me. Thanks for everyone who's been sticking around with me. Some of the top names that come to mind are Rusty Zipper, Yellow Vet, and then Kevin and Roy. I'm gonna hit this.
In 4.4 miles, turn right onto Northeast 1.
Alright, so I just want to say thanks for all the support, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. I know I don't have the best channel or anything like that, so it really means a lot to me that you guys are sticking around and watching and keep coming back. This vlog is hopping everywhere, so I apologize about that, but it's been 6 years today that I became an electrician. The first day I started working as an electrician was 6 years ago today. It's so perfect out right now. It's like literally maybe the best. This is maybe the best weather I've ever had with the top off. It's like 82, not cold one single bit, and just perfect. It's like you're not burning in the sun at stoplights or whatever. The air, or I mean the air temperature is just perfect. And anyways, this vlog is everywhere, so I apologize. Alright, so we're here, so I guess I'll have to catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I just thought to get a little bit of fuel. I was at half a tank, so figured I'd fuel up while I'm here. And then back to the main point. Sorry, I'm getting so distracted. I just want to say thanks for all the support, guys. It means a lot to me. 100 subscribers, it is a pretty big thing since I started with like 0, obviously, but that's a pretty big milestone for me, so I just want to say thanks for all the support. I really appreciate it. I mean, 6 years ago, I started as nothing. I didn't have a job. Well, I guess it was my first day at work 6 years ago in the electrical field, and 6 years later, here I am. I would say, I wouldn't say I'm successful. I just want to say that I'm really blessed by God, and He's really put me in a good situation, even though sometimes I might not enjoy it. Definitely blessed. So I got this car in the last 6 years, and I got some money in the bank. I'm looking to move out in the near future, maybe, I don't know, however long that takes. I'm looking for a piece of property or whatever, so it takes a while, but anyways, I'm working on it. I just had the last week off, so I just want to say, what the hell is that? Oh my gosh. America! Holy, that was like a ginormous hawk. Sorry I got interrupted. I'm just gonna hit this real quick. Anyways, back to the point again. Thanks for everything, guys. I really appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. And is that Kevin? No. Okay. I appreciate the support, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything. Thanks for sticking they did a whole bunch in here, like everywhere. It's looking really good, Mexico. Keep up the good work. This song reminds me of Mario when he's like running and charging up his P-Wing or whatever. Never mind. You guys, you're too young. It's all good. Dude, what a perfect night. I'm not even gonna lie. It's so beautiful out. Oh my goodness. Enjoying life. If you can see that, we're at 9,900 miles. 100 more to go before the big finale. What? I don't think my gas filled up all the way, but that's okay. It's pretty close. Thanks for everything, guys. If you're stopping by for the first time, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe as always. God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.